You need to hear this if you're a drone enthusiast. The DJI Mini 5 Pro rumours are heating up, and they're pretty exciting. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumoured to bring some awesome upgrades. First up, we might see a new 4K camera with better low-light performance. Imagine those crisp, clear shots, even at dusk. Battery life? It's said to be longer, with flights lasting up to 40 minutes. More airtime means more epic footage. And let's talk about range. Whispers suggest a boosted signal, so you can fly farther without losing control. Perfect for those adventurous flights. Oh, and obstacle avoidance? The rumour mill hints at improved sensors, making it safer to fly in tricky spots. Lastly, there's talk about new intelligent flight modes. Think smarter tracking and more creative possibilities for those cinematic shots. If these rumours are true, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer. Stay tuned and keep those propellers spinning.